Namaste. Today I am going to present LIC's most selling policy, best selling policy, Jeevan Laksha with table number 933. This policy offers complete protection of your family. This policy offers or helps you to reach your financial goals, that is Lakshas. Basic eligibility condition of this policy can be given from age 18 to 50 years. Minimum sum assured 1 lakh, maximum no limit. Policy term is 13 years to 25 years. We can choose any term in between 13 to 25 based upon our future financial needs. Premium paying term will be policy term minus 3 years. Last 3 years is the premium holiday. Premium payment modes available are yearly, half yearly, quarterly and monthly. We can also take additional riders like ADDB, accidental death and disability rider, term rider and critical illness rider. Benefits of the policy: on maturity, sum assured plus bonus plus final additional bonus will be given. So on risk with term rider, if risk is due to natural reason, immediately one sum assured will be given to the nominee, and thereafter every year 10% of the sum assured till policy term. On completion of the policy term, 110% of the sum assured plus bonus plus final additional bonus will be given. So in case of accidental risk, 2 times of the sum assured will be given to the nominee immediately, and every year 10% of the sum assured for complete policy term. On maturity, 110% of the sum assured plus bonus plus final additional bonus will be given. After 2 years, we can take loan. Income tax benefits under section 80C up to 1.5 lakhs and tax-free maturity under section 10 of 10D. Let us take one example. For age 30 years, sum assured 25 lakhs, policy term 25 years, premium paying term is equal to policy term minus 3 years, that is 22 years. Let us also take ADDB rider and term rider. In this case, on maturity, the policy holder will get 67 lakhs lump sum. In case of risk, accidental risk, 50 lakhs will be given immediately to the nominee, and every year 2.5 lakhs will be given for complete policy term, and on maturity nearly 70 lakhs rupees will be given. So with that lump sum 50 lakhs, they can take care of family financial needs, and with annual income of 2.5 lakhs, they can take care of their children educational needs, and with lump sum on maturity, they can perform their daughter marriage or they can make settlement of their children. For this example, the per day premium is just 314 rupees. So with 314 rupees, we are creating a set of 67 lakhs with complete protection of the family. Why Jeevan Laksha? Jeevan Laksha helps you. In your presence, it helps you to reach your financial goals. In your absence, it will take care of your complete responsibility, that is your family needs, children educational needs and their settlement. So why LIC? LIC is the safest place, biggest organization and with Government of India guarantee. So for more details, please call me on 9849898916. Thank you very much.